Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to know whether someone is already engaged in a voice call on Facebook Messenger. If you've ever wondered how to avoid interrupting someone or find out if they're available for a call, you're in the right place. Stay tuned for this full guide. Let's dive in. Step 1. If you haven't already, head over to the Google Play Store and tap on it to open the app. Step 2. In the search bar, type Messenger Facebook. Look for the app with a gradient between blue and pink, featuring a horizontal lightning bolt. Step 3. Tap on the app and then select Install, or hold the option and tap on Install for additional settings. Step 4. Once the app finishes downloading, tap on Open to launch it. Sign in using your usual Facebook credentials. Step 5. Now, go to a chat with the person you want to call. Tap on the phone icon to initiate a voice call. Pay close attention to the following cues. If the person is free or not participating in any form of call on Messenger, you will hear a beep sound indicating that they are available for a call. However, if the person is currently engaged in another phone or video call on Facebook Messenger, you will receive an automated message stating, "The person you're trying to reach is presently engaged in another phone or video call." By following these simple steps, you can easily determine whether someone is already engaged in a voice call on Facebook Messenger, allowing you to respect their privacy and avoid interruptions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.